In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a financial board in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clear, organized place to track budgets, expenses, and key financial metrics all inside a board you can update and share with your team. Start by heading to Monday.com and signing into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace so your new board lives where your team expects to find it. If you're part of multiple workspaces, glance at the top left to confirm you're in the right one before moving on. Next, look to the left sidebar and click the plus icon. This opens the creation panel, which is your shortcut to starting new items quickly. From here, choose Template Center. The Template Center is a gallery of ready-made boards designed for common workflows, and it's the fastest way to build a solid financial setup without starting from scratch. In the Template Center, use the search bar and type Financial. You'll see results like budget trackers, expense management boards, and finance planning templates. Click any option to open its preview. Take a moment to look at the description and the sample columns so you understand what's included. When you've found a template that fits your needs, select it and click Use Template. You'll be prompted to choose where to add it and what to name it. Pick the correct workspace or folder, give the board a clear title, and confirm. In a few seconds, your financial board will be created in your account. Now, customize your financial board so it reflects your real process. Rename groups to match periods like months, quarters, or projects. Review the columns and keep what helps. Number columns for amounts, status columns for approval stages, people columns for ownership, and date columns for due dates. For currency fields, open the column settings and set your currency. Then enable group or board totals so you can see sums at a glance. Consider adding a formula column to calculate variance, such as actual minus budget, to spotlight overages immediately. Edit status labels to match your workflow, like planned, in review, approved, and paid. Assign owners to make accountability clear. Add notes or files to the update section for receipts and invoices, and use sub-items if you want to break a line item into multiple expenses. Finally, tailor your view by sorting and filtering, or switch to other views like chart for trends. Your changes save automatically. That's it. You've created a financial board from a template and customized it to your needs. Use it as your single source of truth and duplicate it when you start a new month or quarter.